In this video, I will show you how to download a Google Drive shared link. Open up the Chrome browser. Type in the search bar, Google Drive. Push on this first link here. Google Drive Sign In. I will upload this Google Doc to Google Drive. Click twice on the file to open it up. Come up to this option here that says, Share, push on that. Go over to where it says, Restricted. Press on this little arrow here. And select the option. Anyone with the link. Press on, Copy link here. Then Done. I will open up a new browser and paste the link. Now we will download a Google Drive shared link. Go over to the upper left corner and push on File. Then come down to Download. And push on this option here, Microsoft Word. Google Doc is downloading to our PC. Go to your Downloads folder. I will open these files and see if the shared Google Drive link was downloaded. And that's how you do it, guys. How to download a Google Drive shared link.